Welcome back to Smart English Official. Hey, stop what you are doing right now. I need to tell you something important. Something that can change the way you learn English forever.
That's right. What if I told you you do not need to study for 5 hours every day?
What if I told you you do not need a very expensive teacher?
And what if I told you you can learn English faster than ever before just by using your phone?
Yes, it is possible. And today, we are going to tell you exactly how.
Welcome to Smart English Official.
The podcast where we help you speak English with confidence every single day.
Hello, everyone. I am James. And as always, I am so happy to be here with you today.
And I am Lima. Welcome back to Smart English Official. If you are new here, hello. Welcome to the family.
We are so glad you are here. Today's topic is very exciting. Are you ready?
I think they are ready, James.
Okay. Today, we are talking about how to use AI to learn English faster in 2026.
Yes, AI, artificial intelligence.
Now, do not worry. We will not use difficult words today.
Everything will be simple. Everything will be easy. We promise.
So just relax, grab your tea or coffee, and let's learn together.
Okay, Gems, let's start from the beginning. What is AI?
Great question, Lima. AI means artificial intelligence.
That sounds complicated.
It sounds complicated, but it is actually very simple.
Okay, explain it to me like I'm 5 years old.
All right. Imagine you have a very smart friend. This friend knows everything.
Okay.
This friend is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
And this friend never gets tired, never gets angry, never judges you.
Like some real friends.
Exactly. That is AI, a super smart, always available, always helpful digital friend.
I love that explanation.
And the best part? You can use this friend to learn English right now for free.
Okay, everyone, this is where it gets really interesting. James, let me ask you something. Why do people struggle with English?
Good question, Lima. I think, number one, they are afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, that is so true.
Number two, they don't have anyone to practice with.
Yes, practicing alone is very boring.
Number three, they don't have time.
Busy life, busy schedule.
And number four, good teachers or classes can be very expensive.
Yes, not everyone can afford that.
But guess what? AI solves all of these problems.
All of them?
All of them.
Okay, now I am very curious. Tell us more, James.
With AI, you can practice without fear because AI never laughs at your mistakes.
That is so important. So many people are scared to speak because they think someone will laugh at them.
Exactly. But with AI, you can make 100 mistakes and it will just help you correct them calmly, kindly.
That is beautiful, actually. Okay, let's get practical now. Which AI tools can we use?
Great. I have a list. And remember, most of these are free or very low cost.
Perfect.
Tool number one, ChatGPT.
Oh, yes, I use this.
ChatGPT is like that smart friend we talked about. You can ask it anything in English.
And it will answer in simple English?
Yes, you can even say, please use simple words. I'm a beginner.
Did you hear that, everyone? You can tell AI how to talk to you.
Exactly. You are in control.
I love that.
Tool number two, Google Gemini.
Tell us about that one.
Google Gemini is also a free AI. It helps you with writing, with grammar, with vocabulary.
Very useful.
Tool number three, YouTube itself.
Wait, YouTube is an AI tool?
Well, YouTube now has AI subtitles, AI translations, and AI recommendations.
Oh, that is true.
So when you watch our videos on Smart English Official, YouTube helps you understand with subtitles.
And we make the English simple for you too, so it's double help.
Exactly. Double help.
Okay, what is tool number 4?
Tool number 4, Elsa Speak.
Ooh, this is a special one.
Elsa is an AI pronunciation app. You speak English into your phone and it tells you, good job, or try again, say it like this.
So it corrects your pronunciation?
Yes, in real time.
Okay, friends, if you struggle with pronunciation, Elsa is for you.
It is like having a pronunciation coach in your pocket.
I love that. Okay, James, now tell me, how do we use AI every day, like step by step?
Okay, let me give you a simple daily routine.
Yes, I love routines.
Step 1. Every morning, open ChatGPT and ask it a simple question in English.
Like what?
Like, what is the weather like today? Or, tell me something interesting.
Oh, that's easy. Even beginners can do that.
Exactly. You start small. One question every morning.
Step 2.
Step 2, ask AI to correct your English.
How?
Very simple. Write a sentence, then write, is this correct? Please fix any mistakes.
Oh, so AI becomes your personal English teacher.
Yes, and it explains why something is wrong, not just what is wrong.
That is really helpful.
Step 3, practice conversation with AI.
How do you do that?
Tell ChatGPT, let's practice English conversation. You start.
And it will just start talking to you?
Yes, it will ask you questions, you answer, it replies, you answer again.
That's like a real conversation.
It is a real conversation, just with an AI partner.
Friends, this is perfect for those of you who are shy. You can practice speaking without feeling nervous.
Exactly. Build your confidence first, then speak with real people.
Step 4?
Step 4. Learn new words with AI.
Tell us how.
Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 new English words today. Use simple examples.
And it will give you words with examples?
With examples. With sentences. Sometimes even with small stories.
Oh, I love learning words and stories. It is much easier to remember.
Yes, stories help your brain remember, much better than lists.
Step 5?
Step 5. Review with AI before sleeping.
Oh, this is a good one.
At night, ask AI to quiz you. Ask me 5 questions about the words I learned today.
So you review what you learned before you sleep.
Yes, and research shows when you review before sleeping, your brain remembers better.
So, friends, morning practice, daytime correction, evening review. That is your AI English routine.
Lima, I want to talk about something important now.
What is it?
Some people use AI the wrong way.
What do you mean?
They ask AI to write everything for them, and then they just copy it.
Oh, yes, I have seen this.
That is not learning.
That is cheating yourself.
Exactly. AI should be your helper, not your replacement.
That is a very important point.
If you ask AI to write your essay and you just copy it, you learn nothing.
But if you write first, then ask AI to correct it, you learn everything.
That is the key difference. You try first, then AI helps.
Write this down, friends. You try first, then AI helps.
Another mistake, people only read AI's answers. They don't say them out loud.
Oh, good point.
Reading is good, but speaking out loud is better.
When you speak out loud, your mouth practices, your brain practices, your confidence grows.
So always read AI's answers out loud, like you're talking to a friend.
Yes, don't be shy. Even if you are alone at home, just speak.
Lima, can I ask you something personal?
Of course.
Did you ever use AI to practice English?
Yes, James. Actually, let me tell you a little story.
Please, the audience would love to hear.
Okay. When I first started learning English, I was very scared.
Really?
Yes, I was scared to speak. I was scared to make mistakes. I thought everyone would judge me.
That is such a common feeling.
One day, I started talking to ChatGPT, just for fun. No pressure.
And what happened?
It was amazing. I made so many mistakes, and ChatGPT just said, "No problem, here's the correct way."
No judgment.
No judgment, no laughter, just help.
That is beautiful.
After 2 weeks, I felt so much more confident. I started talking to real people, and it felt so much easier.
You see, friends, AI was the bridge from fear to confidence.
Exactly. Use AI as your safe practice space. Then step into the real world.
Okay, let's do a quick summary before we finish.
Yes, let's recap everything.
Tip number 1, use ChatGPT every day. Ask questions, practice writing, have conversations.
Tip number 2, ask AI to correct your English. Write first, then ask for help.
Tip number 3, use Elsa Speak for pronunciation. Speak out loud every day.
Tip number 4, learn 5 new words every day with AI, with examples, with stories.
Tip number 5, review before sleeping. Let your brain remember better.
And the most important tip of all,
You try first, then AI helps.
we said that together.
Great minds think alike.
Okay, friends, we are coming to the end of today's episode.
But before we go, we want to say something.
Learning English is a journey. It is not a race.
Some days will be easy, some days will be hard.
But every single day you practice, you are getting better, even if you don't feel it.
And now, in 2026, you have the most powerful tool in history right in your hands.
AI. Use it. Learn with it. Grow with it.
And remember, Smart English Official is always here for you, every single day. So if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an episode.
And write in the comments below, which AI tool are you going to try first?
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
All right, everyone. This has been Smart English Official.
I am Lima.
I am James.
Keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.